Alright, this is the iPhone 8 and this is the Samsung Galaxy S9. I've put them both on 50% brightness. I'm just going to play a bit video. Guys, in this video we're going to be talking all about the DJI Mavic Pro platform. And I'm going to mute the sound so that doesn't have a factor. As you can see, S9 is at 100%. So you can see that the Samsung's gone down to 97% and the iPhone's still at 100%. And you'll find that you need to constantly recharge your phone all the friggin' time.
Yeah, I mean, that's not ideal. Like, seriously, if you're, like, for example, in the middle of nowhere and you need a map and you need to contact someone and your Samsung has just run out of battery, you can't.
I've been driving for literally 5 minutes, 90%. Alright, 25 minutes later, if you can see, 81%. And one of the biggest issues I'm having at the moment is my car charger, for some reason, it actually doesn't charge the phone fast enough. Alright, I'm going to try plugging in the charger. So the charger's been plugged in, 80% now. Alright, half an hour later, it's gone down to 77%. So there are some issues charging this phone up. It's not as simple as the micro USB that you got with the Samsung Galaxy S7 where everything just pretty much worked. With USB-C there's some dodgy cables and there's some nice cables, and my car doesn't have enough juice to charge this phone. Yeah, it's just negative. That being said, with my phone it came with a wireless charger. And obviously this wireless charger works with the iPhone 8, it even works with the Samsung Galaxy S7.
It's awesome.
But it is so handy because me just slotting in the wireless charger and just watching it charges slower on there.
Yeah.
But it's a lot more convenient to just place it on there and see it charge than having to always fiddle with that cable and plug it in. So if you are getting an S9, I do recommend getting yourself a wireless charger because it will just make... You're going to have to charge it all the time. The battery life is very poor.
It's abysmal.
So you're going to need one of those chargers. If you do have that charger though, you're very happy. Okay, Google.
I have to say, your phone is pretty damn fast.
My friends, microphones.
Woo!
Today is a special day.
Goodbye, iPhone. You're now officially my ex-iPhone.